2003 Isuzu Rodeo, and there's the back door, that back hatch. The way that it works is you have a button, right, and it pops the back window up, and you have to pop that up before you can open the back hatch.
Right.
So that button, someone I think tried to break into the car or something and pushed that button inside of the door and broke it. So my mechanic was able to get the door panel off from the inside, and we got the button, and we see that it's broken. It needs to be replaced, but we can't find a button.
In other words, you can't find a new button to replace it with?
We're wondering where to find that, where to buy that.
So,
otherwise, the back door is just not functional.
I'll be honest with you, your best bet would be a junkyard. You're going to have to find a junkyard that has the same vehicle and then get that part off of that vehicle. So what you could do, and I know it sounds like an endless search, but if you call a junkyard, for example, like LKQ, when you call them, you can talk with them and they can search their inventory. Their computer system is connected with a bunch of other junkyards all over the United States. So within a quick search, they can locate this exact vehicle that would have this part on it.
I think so. I did that, and then I think the closest one was miles away. So I think that's why we took another route to try to order one online. But maybe some of these junkyards would be willing to take it to get it for me.
Yeah, just have them, or you could just say, hey, can you just send me the part? I'll pay for shipping.
Yeah.
Because here's the thing, they're not going to make this part anymore, and you, at the bare minimum, you would have to get this part number, and I don't even know. Good luck finding a parts dealership that's going to, any dealership that's going to give you this exact part number for an 03 Isuzu Rodeo. I don't think it's going to happen. So a junkyard is going to be your best bet.
Mm-hmm. Seems like it might be the only option.
That's correct.
All right. Okay, well, I appreciate your help. We will try that.
All right, sounds good. Good luck, okay?